Good morning everyone, my name is Sej Prandeep from grade 10 RB. Today I am going to explain about spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is a curved mirror which is taken from hollow sphere. Spherical mirror divided into two types. They are concave and convex. Concave mirror is a spherical mirror which is curved inwards like a ball. It is also called as a converging mirror. Second one, convex mirror. Convex mirror is a spherical mirror which is bulged outwards and is also called as a diverging mirror. Terms used in a study of spherical mirror. First one, center of curvature. The central point of a mirror is called center of curvature. Second one, radius of curvature. The distance between pole and center of curvature is called radius of curvature. Third one, pole. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole. Fourth one, principal axis. A straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. Fifth one, principal focus. The light is meet at one point after reflection that on the principal axis. That point is called principal focus. Sixth one, focal length. The distance between pole and focus is called focal length. In a ray diagram we will see the terms of spherical mirror. C denotes a center of curvature, F denotes a focus, P denotes an pole, and XY denotes an principal axis. The distance between C and P equal to radius of curvature. The distance between F and P is the focal length. Thank you.